you alright, Emma?
Had a bit of a heavy night last night. It's a bit too bright in here.
So today we're going to be doing a challenge video. We've got a special guest with us today. This is
Charlie Darlow Bridal Hair.
Charlie does hair, obviously I do makeup. So today we're going to switch and I'm going to be doing hair on a model. Charlie's going to be doing makeup. So I have 9 years in the makeup industry, but I definitely don't do hair. And Charlie?
I have 13 years in the hair industry, but I definitely don't do makeup.
So let's see how this goes. So we just need a model. Here she is.
I haven't brushed my hair. I think I've
great.
got mascara under my eye, so if we can both retreat today.
What a
Oh my
treat.
god, do I have to take that off?
No, it's fine. Well, that's up to you.
Oh god.
There are no clues here. So you might be able to see we've got quite a bit of stuff on the table here. So we're going to start with hair first. Charlie has set out quite a few different hair bits for me. I think some of these things she's put out to throw me off maybe. So I don't think necessarily everything should be used for the look that she's going to show me. Haven't actually seen what she's going to ask me to do just yet. So have you got that ready? You should have a look.
I have.
What is this?
What is that?
What is this?
So, the hairstyle I want you to do on Emma is this.
No.
Now, this particular hairstyle I've just shown Abby is something that we first learned in college, so it's kind of a basic.
That
we
is not
kind of,
basic.
It's a basic, but you kind of jazz it up a little bit to make it a little bit more special.
I'm going to like insert the picture
I
here.
have never done hair in my life and I do not know how I'm going to do this. But yeah, I'm going to insert the picture now for you all to have a look and see what you think. I don't even know how to start with that.
Do you think she's going to have to brush my hair first?
Yeah, I think I will.
She's going to go.
I'm not saying anything. My lips are sealed.
Okay, well let's give it a go. So Emma, if you can spin round.
Reminds me of a music video.
Yeah.
Are you...
They're going to see me because I won't have my camera on now.
Everyone can see you now. Okay, so. I don't know where to start. Right, there's a brush here.
I'd definitely brush my hair first.
Okay, I don't even. Oh my god. Like, is there a particular way? I'm sure you're meant to do it like hold it and brush it so it doesn't hurt them.
Yeah, it's good.
Abby, have
start.
you even had to look at the products that you've got there?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Right, let's see. So that's great. I think we probably need some of this or a mess maker. These look like similar though. Salt spray. They're both salt spray. What do you like better, orange or blue?
I do like Halloween, but...
Orange it is.
Okay.
Give it a spray. Okay. Then do you, well, I think you scrunch sea salt in. Right, so let's do a little bit of, let's do a back comb. Let's, oh, I've only just brushed it, it's all knotty. That's because that's salt spray, isn't it? So let's take this top bit. Oh God. Right, Charlie said that this would take her like less than 20 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. Leave that there. Charlie's probably looking at everything I'm doing right now thinking, oh my God,
This
you're
feels
ruining
right,
her
though.
hair.
This feels right.
Let's back comb it all.
I'm literally saying nothing.
Yeah, no, that's great.
This feels
Don't
nice
you
and
help me
messy.
at all. I'm a pro. Okay, get that back. See, the thing is, a lot of people think that people can do hair and makeup, but it's very, very different. And I don't think that anyone can do hair and makeup well.
Yeah, I think you're good at one or the other. And how many times do you get asked if you can do hair?
All the time.
Yeah,
see,
all the time.
I get it all the time. Like, oh, you do hair. Like, I guess you do makeup too. No.
Absolutely not. It's a whole different ball game. Right, I know that you start with this sort of thing quite a lot. So, here's to hoping. Okay, so I've put that little Why is that messy like that? I've put that up. Right, I'm going to grab this little bit of hair here, leave a little bit at the front.
Is this at the front part in the back?
No, 1 minute. I'm leaving that front bit down, and then I'm going to grab this, do a little bit of like tiny back comb there, grab this here, and then like just tuck that in. Okay, well, we'll just leave that. Then we'll do another one. And just pin that there. Your silence is making me nervous, Charlie.
It's really interesting. This is a style as well that is so versatile. Like, I would consider wearing this kind of thing with like jeans, like t-shirt, a bit cash.
A hoodie? A cowboy jacket?
Like a proper cash kind of hairdo. You can make it as casual or as like super sleek bridal as you like however you want. Like, it's one of them styles.
Whether this would stay in is ever so questionable. Right, and then, how do you get rid of these ends though? This is a problem.
Tuck them in.
Like that, yeah. Okay.
A little tuck.
But then you've
Nip
got
and
to...
tuck, nip and tuck.
You're meant to like hide grips and everything as well. Okay, right. It's just, I know you feel like you've got quite thin hair, but it's still a lot to get rid of when I'm trying
Is
to...
there?
Yeah.
Thick and luscious
No,
locks?
look at the front.
No.
Don't move. Oh, it looks like I could... The picture looks scary, but then a little part of me thought that I might still be able to do it.
I think you're doing alright. I think you're making harder work for yourself.
Really?
Yeah.
You're going to have to come in and tell me what I should have done in a minute. Well, it's up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, did I scrape your head?
Oh, there's a pin in the scalp.
I felt that against the head, like scrape.
Yeah, that's something that clients don't particularly like.
Did I not?
Don't particularly enjoy that one, thank
Like, a pin in the scalp is not
Do you know what? I don't think it looks like the picture.
That's what we're aiming for though, right?
We are. But look, it's up.
Uh-huh.
And let me see from the front. Oh, yes.
So if this was like a client that showed you the picture, like pretend it's makeup right now, they showed you the picture
Yeah.
and you didn't give them exactly what they wanted,
Yeah.
what would they be saying right now then?
Well, I can't imagine they'd be that happy with what I've just done.
Okay.
Are you going to get rid of my curtains?
No, they stay, don't they?
I mean, it's up to you.
Curtains stay.
I feel like you should frame them with some straighteners or something, like style my curtains, please.
Okay.
It's up, it's definitely up.
It definitely is.
A test of movement.
I should know how to work straighteners, like I do use those.
Have you ever done anyone else's hair?
No.
Please don't burn my scalp also,
Do
scraping
they
it.
beep at you? Can I feel them hot? Oh, I don't have GHD. Yeah, it's beeping at me. It's good. So if we do this and then like twist it a little bit. There you go. That's nice. Is that nice?
Yeah.
It bothers me that there's a bit of brown mixed in here and there's a bit of blonde up.
You could section it.
But I didn't, did I?
Yeah, because one's quite a bit longer, isn't it?
Should we pull like some little curly bits down? Has it got any curly bits on there?
And you do what you think.
Do you know what?
Let's pull
My
these
eyesight's
out.
not very good, but from what I can see, it looks like my business awards hairstyle. Do you think?
Yeah.
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 She thinks no.
I'm thinking this is fun and we need to do it again already.
Mm-hmm.
Twist again. Let's get some of these down. Because then it's the blonde bit that will...
Why don't you get
try and
a parting brush and section that bad boy out?
No, because I can do it with my hands.
Okay.
I'm quite good at this.
She's good with the rounds. All the makeup training.
And then I did notice... Oh, that one's not nice. I did... Oh! Let's just straighten that. Why? Why? Is that falling out? That's falling out already.
Can I give you a client suggestion?
Yeah.
It's like on my face. I don't like it.
No,
I want it like to go back.
Wait a minute, what you want isn't relevant, is it?
We don't say this to our clients, by the way. What you want, it's not relevant. It's what I want. I feel like Samira from The Ring. That girl was Help!
That's better, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's off my face.
I think if you do... that, and then this was hairspray. Close your eyes.
That felt professional.
That was very professional.
Was it?
That was.
Close your
yeah.
eyes and then a gentle sweep.
Yeah. Did it feel off your face that side?
Yeah. Love that for me. I'm going to go to Starbucks and Pets at Home with my ravishing hairdo.
Was there a bit in the mouth then?
Sorry about that.
I mean, it tastes okay.
Have you sampled it?
Well, many times. Many times. Lots of titivating going on.
Okay, I'm done.
Is there anything else you'd like to add, or?
I don't think so.
You sure?
Wait a minute, what was on the picture?
Well, it doesn't have to be exactly like the picture.
Oh, doesn't it?
You
Can I
add
put this
You can
in?
add, yeah, if you'd
I
like
would
to add.
put this in, but I don't know how that would... Oh, it's got a grip. Okay. This is a bit easier because you've put grips in now already for me. Oh, look.
Just to finish it off.
Yeah. Wait a minute, I don't think it would go that way, would it? Oh, no, no. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, no, I've got a good idea. You just switch the clips around to be the other way, don't you? How good is that?
You've not done too bad, Abby.
I'm really impressed.
Should we show the client her hair?
Yeah. I can't do this on a non-rotating chair.
I'm well aware that it doesn't look like the picture because that was meant to go in and then that was meant to come round and be all big.
So we're going to take this out first.
Okay.
Lots of clips. But you did well with your back combing, so it's more your sectioning that you needed to work on a little bit. So when we are doing hair, we tend to work in a hot cross bun method.
Yeah.
So it goes across the top here to the top of the ears and then kind of down the middle.
Okay.
So the sides are always kind of kept
Out.
last
Yeah.
because they're the bits that kind of finish it off as such.
They hide all the bits in the middle.
So you've seen me work quite a lot, and I love the fact to begin with you were like, I've seen you do this loads, which is lovely for some hairstyles,
But it's not right.
not for this one. So it's nice to throw you off a little bit there. What you should have done is backcombed like you kind of did,
Yeah.
all the way down.
Ah,
So
okay.
all of these roots under here as well.
Right.
Kept one side out there.
I nearly did that as well, didn't
Kept
I?
one side out there. And then what you do with a pleat is you bring it all over to one side.
Oh my god, I was way off.
And then you create a little line of pins. So you create this little kind of crisscross pattern.
Okay.
And then with this bit, you kind of wrap that into the middle.
Oh, okay. I was trying to do a
And
bit
do
of wrapping.
like a big,
Yes.
big one like that.
So as if you've just done that in about 30 seconds.
Yeah. And then you kind of hold it and then you would pin
Oh wow.
into that section there. So yeah, I mean I've not obviously backcombed and sectioned perfectly, but that's the kind of motion you needed.
Yeah.
And then you just kind of pull bits out, pull it apart a little bit, use some spray to texturize it, and then with the sides, if you haven't included them in, you kind of just use them to kind of, I don't know, jazz it up a little bit really.
Yeah.
Like pop them in there. Any bits that you just can't really use, you just tuck in. Don't overthink it. Like that kind of.
Amazing.
Does that make sense?
That looks so good.
So, you know,
Anyone would think it was your job or something.
well, got a bit of practice.
Ladies leaving men at home, that's it. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full grown. That's what I feel like.